Alright, for the next part of our maintenance, we're going to do the gearbox oil change. I think I only need 250 milliliters, so I think I have probably too much gearbox oil, but we'll see. That's a nice odd spot. Check all the way down here. And those odd spot. Check all the way down here. And those. Is that? Oh, I think I got it. It's actually going down very well. I caught the nut and washer there. This looks a little big. Just working on the Vespa, and I have a Jeep and bikes, so it might just be handy to have. But this was enough for the job. Okay. Yeah, that makes a big difference. Alright, let me just get some. How much fluid came out of this thing? So it looks like 150 milliliters. Right, so we need to be first notch on the dipstick from the bottom. So with it in its seat and tightened fully. Okay. Okay, this is a 60 cc cylinder. So far I've added just under 3, so I should have about 150 milliliters in there right now. That looks about perfect. I'm going to keep it at that. So So I added pretty much 150 for my adjustment for the Vespa. First maintenance complete. Got the oil change, engine oil change, and gearbox oil change done. It's pretty easy. I took it slow, and honestly I was recording during it, so it took a lot longer just because I was sharing the experience here. I hope this helped. If you like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.